Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from an iPhone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app we need to tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, find our Forerunner 645, tap on it to select it. On the device page, tap on the More Options icon. Okay, then tap on Remove Device and tap on Remove to confirm. Now, we can tap on Close right here. Then close the app. Open the settings on your iPhone. So let's open the settings. In settings, tap on Bluetooth. Here, find the Forerunner 645 on the list of My Devices. Tap on the info icon next to it. And tap on Forget Device. And tap on Forget Device to confirm. And the Forerunner should disappear from list of My Devices and should be on the list of other devices. Okay, and after this, your watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.